So let's talk a little bit about data sets. When you do deep learning, what do? You take data and you take a model, you take a training procedure. After training, you get your deep learning trained model. Okay? So when you do data, it turns out that a lot of the things that you have to do aren't what you thought you'd be doing. So much of data science is actually really figuring out what the right question is. And then a lot of the remainder is sweating the properties of the data. And some of the remaining is just basic machine learning, like features, how to put the data in, how to get the data out, and so forth. And then there's this small piece that is actually deep learning. So therefore, we will want to make sure that you hear a lot about sweating the data here as well. How do you get the data? Well, a lot of data is really easy for us to load for deep learning experiments. For example, you can use datasets.cipher in Torch, which in this case gets you the data from the CIFAR 10 dataset. You have to give it the path where it will store the data, and you need to locally store the data. You can't download it as you go. And then you can specify if you actually need to download them, yes. And you can define a transform, which is the 2 tensor transform in this case. And so you see, in 3 lines, you can get one of the data sets that a lot of deep learning research is happening on. So let's look into that. Run this and display one of the CIFAR images.